integers, not both 0, then their GCD exists and is unique. The reason is that a non-zero integer has only finitely many divisors, and so it can have only finitely many common divisors with another integer. And therefore, there has to be a largest one. For example, what is the GCD of 12 and 30? The divisors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, plus minus. And the divisors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30, plus minus. So if we look for the common divisors are, of course, 1, 2, 3, 6, and that's it, plus minus. So the largest of these is the number 6. 6 is the GCD.